You tell me that you love me and tell me I buy.
Hi guys, this is Joe from Tequilobang. Welcome back to this channel. So today I am going to unbox a mask, and this mask is actually something that I'm waiting for it for some time already. I need to pre-order it because it is in a color that they have never produced before. So I waited for them to produce it, and then finally I got it. I'm not sure whether you heard about it. This mask is called the Gill Mask. It's designed in Singapore, made somewhere else, but anyway, this is a black color mask, and if I'm not wrong, it's called the Darth Gill Mask. So without further ado, let me open it out. Gill face mask, a reusable respirator, and I got it in black color, but the box is in white color, so you can see that it says black regular, so I assume that it will be black. So let me open this thing. Okay, nothing much. Two items. One, I believe, is a cartridge, whereby I will show you later how I can use this cartridge. And this one is actually the black respirator. Okay. And if you look carefully, these are the medical grade silicone. It's very soft, super soft, I think. Yeah, better than I expected. I was expecting it to be a bit hard. And this is the respirator. So I'm supposed to open this up, and there's another cartridge. So in total, with the face mask, you have two cartridges. One, you can use it, and then the other one you can use immediately. Okay, one thing about this respirator is it doesn't come with the filter. So what you can do is you are going to use a new surgical mask and then make your own filter. Let me show you how to do it. Before I demonstrate to you how we can install this filter, maybe I go through with you the mask. As I mentioned, it is a very simple mask. It has a strap, adjustable strap. And it is made of medical grade silicone over here, very soft. You can see it's very soft. And from the front, you can see that there is a grill here. And okay, what you need to do is maybe from the back, right, you can give a slight push to open up this. I'll show you again. Slight push to open up this. And how we install the cartridge is very simple. It's very simple. So there's a groove over here. Just put it down, close it. But as I mentioned, the cartridge doesn't come with the filter. So you can see that there is no filter here, and that will be the next part I want to demonstrate. How to install a filter. And to tell the truth, this is my first time doing it. So what you need is the cartridge. In fact, I have two cartridges because one set comes with two cartridges. And what you need is you must supply your own filter. Okay, I'm using a 3-ply surgical mask. It's blue in color. So the first step to do is you have to cut it. I don't need this anymore. And what you can do is open up this. So this is the actual thing that you need to use. Okay. And what you can do right now is open up this grill. Go over the mask like this. Make sure it's tight. Once it's done, cut it. Just cut along the edge. Okay, it's very ugly. So I want to try once more. So open up the grill, press on to the edge and cut it. I think the method that I cut is not so perfect. So this is the real life struggle to cut it properly. So what you need to do is you must use, or you try to use as little, as much as possible to use all your surgical mask, the space in the surgical mask, so that you can save more. So right now, okay, maybe like this. Okay, I realized that it's very challenging to cut like this. Okay, so don't waste it, keep it. You can use it for later. It doesn't matter if your mask looks a bit it doesn't matter if your mask or your filter looks a bit ugly, because what you need is more important is how you want to install it. So right now, let me install it. Remember, this is the usual face mask, or you must think that this is the usual face mask. So the blue color, which is the one that has the waterproof, or at least some water resistance, should be facing outside. And this one that is absorbing all the droplets will be on the inside. And using this groove over here, just place it over it, put inside, and close the cover. And that completes the installation of the filter on the Gill mask. And you can see from the back the surgical mask. This is exactly the same as the standard surgical mask, whereby the light color or the white color is facing inside, and the blue color is facing the outside. And one of the features about this Gill mask is there's ample space between the mouth, the nose, to your surgical mask. So that means you have more ample space to breathe. However, I have not tried it before. I am not sure whether it will be comfortable or not. Just now while trying out, I think it will take some time to get used to it, and when you talk, you may not be hurt quite easily because of the seal over this silicone. So that is, I think, a problem if you are in the environment whereby you need to talk and then you also need to wear a mask. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? I think it's much more difficult to breathe. I can feel the suction here. It's definitely more difficult to breathe. It's really difficult to breathe. So if you're in the normal environment, I think this will not be good because you will feel that you're out of breath. So right now I am okay. Maybe let me see if I wear a spec. Is it going to obstruct? Yeah, maybe this small frame, maybe you're able to do it properly. But if you have a bigger frame, then I think you'll get into trouble. So far, I think, yeah, it's very fitting. In fact, it's too fitting, causing it to be a little bit difficult to breathe.